Ever catch yourself yawning? Right now? Hey, don't worry. Your brain might just be asking for a quick refresh. We used to think yawning was only about getting more oxygen or fighting boredom. But here's the cool part. When you yawn big, it actually changes the flow of fluid around your brain. MRI scans show yawning pushes cerebrospinal fluid away from your brain in a way normal deep breaths don't. Almost like giving your noggin a gentle rinse or pressure reset. Surprising fact. Yawns are so contagious because they're wired into our social brains. Seeing one can trigger yours in seconds. So next time you yawn, thank your brain for its sneaky little spa moment. Your mind just got a mini refresh. Powerful takeaway. Yawning isn't lazy. It's your brain's clever way of staying sharp.